Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim if you're new here, and welcome to Kim's Farmhouse Life. Today I'm going to be cleaning up my house. The weekend came and I slacked off on picking up around here, and so it's a mess. So today I'm going to try to get everything picked up and back in order. Hopefully y'all can get motivated and get up and join me. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love reading the comments and I try to always reply back. If y'all have any videos that y'all would like to see me do, just leave a comment about that also. Y'all ignore how I look. I don't get dressed up to clean my house, so I am wearing pajama shorts. And later in the video you will see that I change shirts. It started getting really hot. I live in Texas and the weather here is, it is horrible. I shouldn't say horrible. It's just so hot and humid. So after a while I could not handle it. I had to go put on a sleeveless shirt. One chore that I literally hate, and I don't really know why, is mopping. You will not see me mopping in this video, but I did mop just a few days back, so it's pretty good for now. Y'all, I have a 9-year-old son who is obsessed with tractors and semis and trailers. That is what I'm carrying out of here right now, putting in his room. He loves to pull those things out, and the bigger the better. He has huge ones. I have to store them under their bunk bed. I am in the process of editing a video where I clean and organize my boy's room. I have a not 13, he's 14 now. I have a 14-year-old and a 9-year-old that share a room. So it's hard sometimes keeping that room organized, especially with my little boy with all his huge toys. I know I've mentioned this in other videos, but in case someone is new to my channel, we live in a double-wide mobile home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and we have painted and tried to update it to fit our taste. I love the farmhouse style, and so about a year ago we painted all of the walls in the main living room and kitchen area all a dark kind of gray color, and I'm really loving Now I have to wash some of my dishes. I don't put our like Yeti cups and things in the dishwasher, so I'm gonna hand wash those. Try to get that out of the way. In case any of y'all are wondering where I get a lot of my cleaning products, I do order from Grow Collaborative, and I will leave a link below. You can click on and get a free gift. But I do love the Mrs. Meyer's and the Method cleaners. Right now I'm using the Compassion flower from Mrs. Meyer's, and I love this scent. The peony that they just had, I think that it's not available. Oh, it was so good. But I'm excited for the new fall scents that are coming out. What is y'all's favorite scents out of the fall flavors? Oh, not blah, 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 blah. What are y'all's favorite scents from the fall collection of the Miss Meyer's? I cannot wait to start decorating for fall. I would have already started, but I mentioned it over the weekend and my husband was like, "Are you crazy? It's 100 degrees outside and you want to decorate for fall?" And I'm like, why not? So I'm gonna try to hold off until after September 1st. And then I think I'm gonna pull out all my fall stuff, and I may go and get some new stuff. We'll have to see. But I Y'all, I love my kitchen table. I redid this about a year ago. We bought it brand new, but because of years of not taking care of it and putting hot plates and things on it, the top of my table was wore out. So I redid it, which now you always have to have a placemat. Like everybody knows, when you sit down, there has to be a placemat on the table, because I worked so hard to redo this table, but I love it so much. How many of y'all have this same issue in your house? No one seems to notice when the trash can is overflowing. They will literally pile things up and even stick it down beside the trash can so that they don't have to take it out. I think I'm the only one, unless I tell my oldest son to take the trash out. Every Tuesday night, he makes sure all the trash is in our trash can, and he takes it out to the road for the trash truck to pick up. But yeah, it's like everybody else is blind to that except for me. Okay, y'all, this is Barkeeper's Friend. This is what I use to clean my sink. Also, I have stainless steel pots, and I use it for that too, for them also, and it works really good. And it is so satisfying to have a clean and shiny sink. I would really recommend using this, especially if you have a stainless steel sink like me. Actually, you can use it on porcelain also. I used to have a porcelain sink, and it was really good. Here is the finished kitchen. It is so clean. I love it. I have a few dishes over there I need to put up, but other than that, oh, so satisfying to see it looking this way after the way it looked this morning. I have to apologize. I thought I had my camera set up better. You can kind of see me through the mirror, but part of me is cut off, so that was a fail there, y'all. I am not the best at recording in the bathroom because, you know, there's limited space to set up the tripod. I cleaned my kids' bathroom and I didn't even record it because it was so hard to set up my camera. Here I am using my e-cloth that I got from Grove Collaborative. I love using this, especially in the bathroom, because stuff actually sticks to this cloth. Unlike other microfiber cloths that I've had in the past where nothing sticks to it and you're just constantly having to wipe it up, and hopefully grab it up into the cloth. But this one, it actually does stick to it. This bathroom is actually still a work in progress. I am planning to paint the cabinets in here. I do not really care for the oak color. I just have to get the time and the ambition to do it. Somehow I lost the footage of me cleaning the toilet and the bathtub. I thought that I had the camera going and obviously I didn't, so sorry. I did clean those, I just didn't get it recorded. And now here I am in my room trying to pick it up. I've got things kind of everywhere, clothes everywhere, but I've decided I'm gonna pull all the sheets, the blankets off and wash them. And my room is one of the rooms in the house that doesn't really have a theme. I mean, we have new furniture and things, but it's not really decorated. I would like to redecorate it, but I just don't know. I have so much stuff piled up in there that I have no idea where to put, so yeah. Well, that's all I have for today. I hope that y'all liked my video. Hopefully you'll give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me over on Instagram. Also, I'll leave my name right here.